Hello everyone, welcome to our third tutorial of our GoLand series. In the previous tutorial, we have discussed about regarding the values. In that case, we have discussed about the strings, integers, float, and boolean as well, right? If you are not watch that video, please go and watch our second video and then continue with the third one, right? Today we are mainly talking about the variables, right? I will step by step explain you about the variables related things, right? In Go, variables are explicitly we can declare, right? And after declaring the variables, we used a compiler to check the type correctness of that variable. Like what I mean that when we are declaring the variable, right, we do not want to specify the variable type. As an example, if I want to create a string, right? In here, we can define the variable, right? In here, we are not providing any data type here, right? What we did was define the variable using the var, and then this variable name, right? We can put any variable name after the var. And also we want to put a space, right? After that, we can assign values to that variable, right? In here you can see there is error here, right? But what they are saying, unused variable a, right? In Go, the special case was that we can't create variables if we are not using that one. That's the reason, right? In here we can't run that, right? They give an error, right? A declared not used, right? Variable A is declared, but we haven't used that, right? That is very important feature that provided by the Go, right? We can't create a variable without using that one, right? For that reason, I will use that one. I will print the variable here, right? A. Now that error has gone, right? And I will run that one. It will display the ChamiViews, right? This is the way that we can use to define variables in Go, right? We do not want to specify the type here, right? If we specify the type here, like this one, in here you can say there is no any error there, right? When we are defining that one, but in the IDE suggests that type can be omitted, right? We do not want to enter the type here because automatically Go identify the type, right? Okay. If we want to create 2-3 variable with the same type, right, we can define like this, say var b comma c, right? Then we can assign the values here, right? Like this way. In here also they are saying that unused variable c, unused variable b, right? What we want to do now? We want to print this one, right? We want to use this one anyway. I will use b comma c, right? Now I will run that one. 1,2, right? We can I will remove the integer one, and then I will assign that hello, right? We can put anything here, right? Because we haven't put any type there. In here we can see the ID suggests that var c is string, right? Var b int, right? That is the main reason we are using this GoLand IDE, right? They are suggesting a lot of things right here. And also we can define the type as well, right? Like int here, right? After typing the variables, we want to define a type, right? Now we can't put a string value here because we are saying that B and C should be integer values. Now we should add the integer value for C, right? Now then again I decided that you can't remove that type here, right? We do not want to mention the type. IDE, sorry, Go compile automatically identify the type, right? And also I will create another variable d equals true. Now this boolean value, and now I will print that one as well. It will print the true, right? Okay, then I will create a integer value like this for int, right? In here I haven't put any I haven't initialize e with any value, right? But I will print the e. The default value of integer is 0, right? I will show that the default value is 0, right? If we are not assigning any value to the e, default value it get as 0, right? If I am put like float, right? Float 64. Now what I will print that that also default value is 0, right? Then I will put string. We can't see anything here, right? Then this is a null value, right? If I am created as bool value, then what is the bool default value? False, right? Default value of bool is false, right? Those are very important things. You should want to keep in touch those things, right? Now another thing was that we can define variables in short form, right? Like I will simply create like this way: f equal apple, right? And then I will print that one, fmt println f, right? In here what I did was that f colon equal apple. Then we do not want to add var, those kind of thing, right? It will automatically create in the variable. This is shorthand form, right? We can use that one, right? We do not want to mention anything, var or type or anything. Simply we can create variable using this one, right? These are the things that you should want to know regarding the variables. Please practice more on these things, right? Then you can get a real understanding about those things, right? Then you can master with the Go related things, right? These are very basic things actually, right? Hope you have understand those things. If you have any questions, please put those things in the comment section. I will hope to answer those questions as well, right? Okay, then I will conclude this third tutorial, right? If you learn new things, please subscribe to my channel and please share with your friends and keep in touch with me. We will meet in our next video. Thank you. Bye.